It's called the DGX GH200, and it's powered by 256 NVIDIA Grace Hopper superchips, which are like the ultimate combination of CPU and GPU on the same package. This supercomputer can handle terabyte-class models for generative AI, recommender systems, and graph analytics, offering 144 terabytes of shared memory and 1 exaflop of performance. That's 1,000,000 trillion operations per second. To put that in perspective, that's more than 10 times faster than the current fastest supercomputer in the world, which is also powered by NVIDIA GPUs, by the way. Honestly, NVIDIA is taking gaming to the next level with their new AI innovations. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all about how their new AI supercomputer is going to revolutionize gaming and beyond. So, NVIDIA has been leading the way in AI innovation for years, developing technologies that bring incredible advancements across various industries, such as gaming, healthcare, and autonomous vehicles. And lately, they've been coming up with a lot of new innovations like DLSS, Omniverse, Jarvis, and Maxine. But one of their most impressive innovations is the NVIDIA Avatar Cloud Engine ACE for games, which brings intelligence to non-playable characters, NPCs, through AI-powered natural language interactions.